Well, if I'm not mistaken, the NP and the PFP, ayaw ko naman unahan si Gov June, but are about to go through an alliance agreement. So, whether you run for NP or PFP, magkaalyado naman, so I don't think it's that significant nor is it that important. I think hinihintay lang namin si Sen Mark na makabalik. I think he's abroad right now, and then if finalize na yung agreement. If anything, it gives the local candidates more options under what party to run, because the administration will have alliances with, or has had alliances and will be having alliances with various of the with the various parties that are active. So it's a good development. Of course, and normal naman yan na humihingi ng guidance, humihingi ng tulong. Kami naman, me, si Gov, and of course si Kong Angelo Barba, lagi kami nag-uusap tungkol kung sa mga usapang politika. Pero, you know, you have to respect the electoral process na rin. And sometimes, people running against each other is inevitable. Hindi naman personal. But, in as much as possible, mag-meet kaming tatlo para manigurado naman na maganda ang takbo ng kampanya ng ating probinsya.